Qarhami's latest release takes tracking from query first to context first. Open the tab and recent activity is already in view, trips, distance, and drive time, without rebuilding a date query first. Move between today, the last 3 days, the last 7 days, or a custom range in one step. Each view updates automatically so the time horizon changes without interrupting the investigation. History is grouped by operating day with daily mileage totals that make high-activity dates easier to spot. Map markers show where those events occurred on the map, while corresponding driving event indicators appear on the trip list as well. Need the full story? Merge the history into one connected view. Original journeys stay numbered in the list and on the map, so a consolidated route never becomes one ambiguous line. Select any number to isolate that journey, then return to the complete history. Now you can also export the merged data as a CSV for structured review. Its time-stamped trip record can support claims, disputes, internal investigations, or law enforcement requests. Recent context, data-aware history, route evidence, exportable records. Tracking now moves operators from a question to a defensible answer with fewer steps and less ambiguity. As the fleet grows, work has to move without handing over the owner account. Co-hosting keeps team access controlled. The primary host can see who has access, which vehicles they manage, and which permissions are active. Search by vehicle, co-host, or based on permission, instead of relying on messages and memory. Add a co-host by email. They used to sign up on Qarhami. Select all or only the vehicles they manage from the list. Then only grant the permission what the role requires: lock or unlock, horn access, compatible engine disable or enable, trip earnings, visibility, and maintenance actions. Sensitive rights stay optional. Select your own custom permissions preference based on co-host role and responsibility. When responsibilities change, edit one assignment or apply the same permissions across all vehicles shared with that co-host. When access ends, remove the vehicle-level assignment without affecting the rest of the fleet. Maintenance records are easier to keep accurate. Before creating a duplicate issue, Qarhami can surface the existing record and let the host resolve it or continue with a new log. Service history keeps the issue, mileage, and actions tied to the correct vehicle. If a task was reported by mistake, delete that exact record. If the record is valid but the details are wrong, update it, correct the service details, add supporting information, and preserve a cleaner history. Clearer tracking, stronger evidence, controlled team access, cleaner records. Qarhami Fleet OS, built for fleets that keep growing.